Hi, this is Teja from Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati, and my factory name is Arunachaleshwar Aqua Products. So we are having with the brand name with Crystal Aqua. So this is a new launch product and it's a startup company. So I've been in contact with this AIM Technologies like 2 months back. So the first one will be one of the companies from Chennai. Those people referred me AIM Technologies, but later on I searched on Google and YouTube. So I see there are many better reviews and feedback from the customers who already have been taking this machinery, and from them I got this contact and I've been contacting them from last 2 months. Sneha was one of the person who was in contact with me, and then Jay was also following with me from last 2 months, and they treated me like their own people, even though I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and the kind of hospitality they provided, the gratitude they gave, the affection they showed, and they picked up me from the airport. That shows their interest towards the customer and the loyalty towards the customer, and even they are supportive with me for giving me few more suggestions on how to run a company, giving their own suggestions and key words which the owner has given to me. Being a startup, so you can work like this, go like this, then it will be profitable to you. So all these are like added value from the company, not only providing the machinery, they also gave me the moral support to how to run a startup company. That's so good for them. I got one vertical label machine for rectangular bottle. So initially when I got picked up from the airport, so Jay has got me into one of the running factory, and he showed me the working condition of a labeling machine, and it was performing around like 156 plus, I guess, the BPM. Even though they had given me a rating for 120, but it is working beyond its capacity without any hiccups. And I saw personally the machine which is being ready for me, and all the testing was done very goodly. And they have done several times of testing with accuracy until they get a minute. There is no minute variation also. They got it very accurately. The sticker was stick to the bottle very accurately. So on the machinery part they use Mitsubishi. All the servo motors or the sensors or the consoles or the LED screen which they have given, all are like the topmost. So no other brand that can offer that kind of quality in that kind of price. And the price perspective is also so good, and they give you the best price in the whole India. And the machinery parts which they give in the machine, all are exceptional quality. It's so good. Coming to the factory perspective, I've seen many machineries being prepared here other than labeling. So what come like multi-line shrink wrap machine, automatic shrink wrap, manual shrink wrap, or pet blowing machine, RFC machine, depending upon your requirements, they do it for you. And not only that, there is one more facility from them that they do labeling also, they do stickers also, and caps, pet preforms, whatever. You come to here, you get everything here. So that is what they're trying to do. So one stop for everything. So I personally suggest everyone to go with this AIM Technologies, not only with the labeling machine, but the shrink wrap or the pet blowing machine or the RFC machine, whichever. All the machines, they use the exceptional quality products. Unfortunately, I came to know about this brand little later. If I could have been known this brand bit earlier, I could have got all the line from AIM Technologies. That much of trust I have in them right now. Because I haven't got this in any way very well, but this hospitality and the what you say, all those things you made to me were so good. Thanks for that. And whenever you need some laddus, just give me a call. I'll give you the courier. I'll send the courier. Okay. Or when you come to Tirumala, before 2 to 3 days, you inform me. I'll be there for you. Okay.